A local nursing home has a yearly barbecue for its residents. Which food item should not be served? A. Deviled eggs. B. Potato salad. C. Raw carrots. D. Rare hamburgers. Answer: D. Rare hamburgers. 2. When transporting food off-site, how should information such as a use-by date and time be communicated to the off-site staff? A. Telephone. B. Text or email message. C. Labels on food. D. Verbal instructions. Answer: C. Labels on food. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for a veal chop? A. 135 degrees F, 57 degrees C. B. 145 degrees F, 63 degrees C. C. 155 degrees F, 68 degrees C. D. 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. Answer: B. 145 degrees F, 63 degrees C. How many hours can cold food be held without refrigeration before it must be sold, served, or thrown out? A. 2 hours. B. 4 hours. C. 6 hours. D. 8 hours. Answer: B. 4 hours. Lasagna was removed from hot holding for service at 11 a.m. By what time must it be served or thrown out? A. 12 p.m. B. 2 p.m. C. 3 p.m. D. 4 p.m. Answer: B. 2 p.m. What should be done with preset unwrapped utensils that appear to be unused after guests have left the table? A. Wrap the utensils with a clean napkin. B. Leave the utensils for the next guest. C. Clean and sanitize the utensils. D. Wipe off the utensils and reuse. Answer: C. Clean and sanitize the utensils. Why should food temperatures be taken in 2 different locations? A. To ensure the thermometer is calibrated correctly. B. It is required by the manufacturer. C. To ensure the thermometer is accurate to plus or minus 2 degree F or plus or minus 1 degree C. D. Temperature may vary in the food. Answer: D. Temperature may vary in the food. A food handler is prepping a seafood dish on April 4th using shrimp and scallops. The shrimp has a use-by date of April 8th, and the scallops have a use-by date of April 10th. What is the use-by date for the seafood dish? A. April 4th. B. April 8th. C. April 10th. D. April 12th. Answer: B. April 8th. What information must be included on the label of food packaged on site for retail sale? A. Pack date. B. List of ingredients. C. Storage guidelines. D. Serving size. Answer: B. List of ingredients. How should an item that has been recalled by its manufacturer be stored in an operation? A. Together with food that will be served. B. Separately from food that will be served. C. In vacuum-packed bags. D. In self-draining containers. Answer: B. Separately from food that will be served. A food handler has just finished storing a dry food delivery. Which step was done correctly? A. Stored food away from the wall. B. Stored food 4 inches off the floor. C. Stored food underneath a stairwell. D. Stored food in an empty chemical container. Answer: A. Stored food away from the wall. Which item should be rejected? A. Bags of organic cookies in torn packaging. B. Bottled milk at 41 degree F, 5 degree C. C. Shell eggs at an air temperature of 45 degree F, 7 degree C. D. Live oysters at 50 degree F, 10 degree C. Answer: A. Bags of organic cookies in torn packaging. Ready-to-eat TCS food prepped in-house must be date-marked if it is held for more than how many hours? A. 12 hours. B. 24 hours. C. 48 hours. D. 72 hours. Answer B. 24 hours. What type of eggs must be used when preparing raw or undercooked dishes for high-risk populations? A. Pasteurized. B. Pooled. C. Hard-boiled. D. Shelled. Answer A. Pasteurized. What causes preschool-age children to be at risk for foodborne illness? A. Their immune systems are not strong. B. They have not received all of their immunizations. C. They only eat ready-to-eat food. D. They have hidden allergies. Answer A. Their immune systems are not strong. Which organization includes inspecting food as one of its primary responsibilities? A. U.S. Public Health Service. B. Centers for Disease Control. C. U.S. Department of Agriculture. D. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Answer C. U.S. Department of Agriculture. What should a server do after clearing a table? A. Apply hand antiseptic. B. Wash hands. C. Put disposable gloves back on. D. Rinse hands in warm water. Answer B. Wash hands. What strategy can prevent cross-contamination? A. Buy food that does not require prepping. B. Prep food on both sides of a cutting board. C. Prep raw food and ready-to-eat food at the same time. D. Avoid time temperature abuse. Answer D. Avoid time temperature abuse. What temperatures do infrared thermometers measure? A. Internal food. B. Air. C. Surface. D. Oven. Answer C. Surface. When can glass thermometers be used? A. When candy is being made. B. When checking liquids. C. When enclosed in a shatterproof casing. D. When hanging in a cooler. Answer C. When enclosed in a shatterproof casing. A food handler comes to work with diarrhea. What should the manager tell the food handler to do? A. Do not work with food. B. Go home. C. Clean the restroom after each use. D. Only bus tables. Answer B. Go home. What should a food handler do to make gloves easier to put on? A. Sprinkle flour in the gloves. B. Blow into gloves. C. Select the correct size gloves. D. Roll the gloves up. Answer C. Select the correct size gloves. When can a food handler diagnosed with jaundice return to work? A. After 1 week. B. When his or her skin returns to a natural color. C. 7 days after the last symptom is observed. D. When approved by the regulatory authority. Answer D. When approved by the regulatory authority. Which item is a potential physical contaminant? A. Sanitizer. B. Jewelry. C. Sweat. D. Hand sanitizer. Answer B. Jewelry. What practice should be used to prevent seafood toxins from causing a foodborne illness? A. Cooking food to correct internal temperatures. B. Hand washing throughout the day. C. Purchasing food from approved, reputable suppliers. D. Microwaving fish to be served raw for 15 seconds. Answer C. Purchasing food from approved, reputable suppliers. How should chemicals be stored? A. Above food. B. Away from prep areas. C. In food storage areas. D. With kitchenware. Answer, B. Away from prep areas. What does the L stand for in the FDA's alert tool? A. Listen. B. Leave. C. Limit. D. Look. Answer, D. Look. What practice can help prevent allergic reactions? A. Cooking different food types in the same oil. B. Identifying ingredients for customers. C. Using parchment paper when baking cookies. D. Providing home delivery service. Answer, B. Identifying ingredients for customers. What symptom can indicate a customer is having an allergic reaction? A. Wheezing or shortness of breath. B. Left arm pain. C. Appetite loss. D. Coughing blood. Answer, A. Wheezing or shortness of breath. Where should a food handler wash his or her hands after prepping food? A. 3-compartment sink. B. Utility sink. C. Designated sink for hand washing. D. Food prep sink. Answer, C. Designated sink for hand washing. When should a food handler with a sore throat and fever be excluded from the operation? A. When the customers served are primarily a high-risk population. B. When the food handler's fever is over 100° F, 38° C. C. After the food handler has a sore throat that has lasted for more than 5 days. D. Before the regulatory authority is notified. Answer, A. When the customers served are primarily a high-risk population. What is the purpose of hand antiseptic? A. Eliminate the need for hand washing. B. Increase the use of sanitizing solutions. C. Lower the number of pathogens on the skin. D. Eliminate the need for use of gloves. Answer, C. Lower the number of pathogens on the skin. Single-use gloves are not required when A. The food handler has a latex sensitivity. B. Cleaning stationary equipment. C. Washing produce. D. Handling cooked food. Answer, B. Cleaning stationary equipment. What should food handlers do after leaving and returning to the prep area? A. Put on gloves. B. Remove their aprons. C. Wash hands. D. Apply hand antiseptic. Answer, C. Wash hands. Which food item has been associated with Salmonella typhi? A. Beverages. B. Produce. C. Shellfish from contaminated water. D. Undercooked ground beef. Answer, C. Shellfish from contaminated water. What symptom requires a food handler to be excluded from the operation? A. Sore throat. B. Jaundice. C. Coughing. D. Stomach cramps. Answer, B. Jaundice. Which is an example of physical contamination? A. Sneezing on food. B. Touching dirty food contact surfaces. C. Bones in fish. D. Cooking tomato sauce in a copper pan. Answer, C. Bones in fish. What practice is useful for preventing norovirus from causing foodborne illness? A. Cooking food to minimum internal temperature. B. Correct hand washing. C. Cooling food rapidly. D. Encouraging staff to get flu shots. Answer, B. Correct hand washing. What condition promotes the growth of bacteria? A. High acidity. B. Low levels of moisture. C. Food held between 70° F and 125° F, 21° C and 52° C. D. Food with a pH that is highly alkaline. Answer, C. Food held between 70° F and 125° F, 21° C and 52° C. Parasites are commonly associated with what food? A. Mushrooms. B. Wild game. C. Whole wheat. D. Dairy products. Answer B. Wild game.